Hello friends, in this question we asked to make y the subject of formula in this equation, and then the equation is x is equals to k plus 1 divided by, in parentheses, 1 minus y all squared. So let's start. We are given x is equals to k plus 1 divided by 1 minus y all squared. So let's multiply both sides by 1 minus y all squared. We have 1 minus y all squared. Then this and this is going to cancel out. We're going to be left with 1 minus y all squared multiplied by x equals to, we have k plus 1. Let's divide both sides by x. Now when we do that, this and this will cancel. We'll be left with 1 minus y all squared equals to k plus 1 divided by x. The next we're going to do is to take the square root of both sides to cancel this square here. So we have 1 minus y all squared is equals to plus or minus square root of k plus 1 divided by x. Now this square root, we get rid of this square here, and on the left hand side we'll be left with 1 minus y equals to plus or minus. Now square root of k plus 1 divided by x can also be written as square root of k plus 1 divided by square root of x. Now we're going to take this negative y to the right hand side and then take all of this to the left hand side. When we do that, we're going to have 1 plus or minus square root of k plus 1 divided by square root of x equals to y. Then finally we have that y is equals to 1 plus or minus square root of k plus 1 divided by x. Now this and this are the same thing. I just want to combine it to look simple. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop your comments and share with your friends. Have a nice day.